Market capitalization is a fundamental metric used to measure the total size of a company in the stock market. Often shortened to market cap, this figure tells you the total dollar value of all the company's outstanding shares. You calculate it simply by multiplying the current share price by the total number of shares held by all investors. Companies are usually grouped by size. These categories help investors understand the relative scale and potential risk profiles of different stocks. A high share price does not necessarily mean a company is large. Market cap provides the full picture of company value. Investors often look at how different market caps perform across various economic cycles to build a balanced portfolio. Remember that while size is helpful for classification, it does not tell you everything about a company's debt or profitability. Understanding market cap is a great first step in your investing journey. Check back for more concepts explained simply.